What would you do with an extra $600 a day? Every day. What would you do? I want you to comment down below. If you had an opportunity to be earning $600 a day, what would you do with that money? How would your life change? Let me ask you this. What if I told you you could put 2 hours a day into a business that will pay you $600 a day? Would it be worth your while to look into that opportunity? You guys, that is $219,000 a year. You could quit your job. You could keep your job. You could pay off bills. You could buy a car. You could buy somebody else a car. Buy a house. Buy somebody else a house. Live more free. Live better. Live stress-free. How would your life change with $600 a day? So what would it be worth to you if I told you I have a business where I sell a digital product that makes daily pay, $600 a day? Would it be worth it to you to give 30 to 60 minutes of your time to investigate just to see if it's for you? $600 a day, daily pay. I found this opportunity back in July, and I'm glad I did. When I plugged in, the system is showing you how to make your first 10K in 60 days. I want to invite you to learn more because it has changed my life completely. I get to be present for my family. I get to take my daughter to school. I get to pick her up from school. Her little sister, I get to hang out with her during the day after working my 2 hours in the business. It is so liberating to be able to set my own schedule and have a daily pay business that's predictable and consistent coming in daily. You owe it to yourself to see what this is about, to simply see if this can change your life. As an extra stream of income or your full-blown new source of main income, you owe it to yourself to investigate this. Put Blueprint in the comments, and I would love to share this opportunity with you.